I saw you the first time before you even saw me, I said to myself, this is the one.
Couldn't make you wait forever, for forever. This is forever. I got you. If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans.
You're my best friend, my one true love.
You are not only my best friend, but you're my heart.
Albeit pathetic that I'm in my late 20s, still never been to a wedding. Guess the idea of that lobby empty. Do not sit with me, well, it's not your fault they try to get me. Cause I'ma need the sales, cause I'm selfish, and I need you to myself.
I see these vows not as a promise, but as a privilege. I get to laugh, dance and cry, and get old with you. Forget about death do us part. I'll be waiting for you at the heaven gates. My love is forever yours. Forever is my love. Mrs. Burns.
Temptation and all, bitches out here trying to see if my relationship's strong. Get a place in the chart, so run away from your heart. Gave this music my all, nothing is sacred no more. I'm wrong, but I'm promising you better though. Your friends saying let them go. And we ain't getting any younger. I can give them now, but I can promise you forever though. That's right.
You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if that's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love, baby, I've been making plans for you. Baby, I've been making plans.
The realest shit I ever wrote.
Baby,
I've been
making plans for
The realest shit I ever wrote.
Yeah.
You have a new love, I'll admit it. Let me be hypothetical. If the day I find a woman, I'd probably be scared to share it.